Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to add ChatGPT to Discord. Now, as you know, ChatGPT is everywhere. It can be integrated into WhatsApp and let it reply to messages on your behalf. And it can also do the same with Telegram. But apparently ChatGPT is not in your Discord, at least not yet. But in a few moments you'll be able to integrate ChatGPT with Discord and add ChatGPT to Discord and have it. The way to integrate ChatGPT into Discord is to create a ChatGPT Discord bot and add it to your server. The bot will respond to your command and return with answers. After you integrate the ChatGPT into Discord, you can use it. No need to switch between apps or tabs. You can all have it within Discord. Here's an example. It can also generate AI images with ChatGPT Discord bot. And not just that, there are a few different personas pre-built into it, so you can easily get the most rogue and unfiltered version of ChatGPT. Should you want it, of course. Here are a few things you need if you want to have ChatGPT on your Discord. You need to have Python 3.10 or later. You need to have OpenAI API key and Discord bot token. First, you need to install Python if you don't have it on your computer. Just go to python.org.downloads and download it by clicking this button. Once you have this button, if you are on Linux, use it by directly using this command without the copy part. After you install it, check the version by running the following command. Now, to get OpenAI API key, you need to obtain it from API key from OpenAI. The API key can be found in the use settings. So this is the website. You need to sign up or log in. Once you log in, go to the use settings or platform.openai.com/account/API keys. And if you don't have the key already, create it by clicking this plus button. Now you need to know that API is not free. So unless you have some free credits, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan. But as you can see, it's super cheap. You get 1000 tokens for less than 3 cents. So 0.03. So it's super cheap. Then you need to create a Discord bot. Go to this website and click New Application. Give the application a name, check the terms of service, then click Create. Click Bot on the left panel and then click Add Bot. Name your bot and then click the View Token button to uncover your Discord bot token, or simply click the Copy button to copy it. You can see this and this, View Token and Copy. Keep this token somewhere safe, it will be used later on to add ChatGPT to Discord. Then click OAuth 2 on the left panel and select URL Generator. You can see here, URL Generator. Click Bot. Give the necessary permission to the bot. A unique URL will be generated for selected permissions. Copy the URL and give it these permissions. Open a new tab and paste URL. Select the Discord server to which you want to add GPT bot. Then click Continue. As you can see, continue. If you're not the owner of any server, then create one and then add ChatGPT bot to your Discord server. Integrating ChatGPT into Discord will now be a piece of cake. Follow the instructions below to integrate ChatGPT into your Discord server. First, clone this repository of GitHub, click the code button and then download zip to save file on your computer. So go to this website right over here. Then click download zip, unzip the file and open CMD or terminal and navigate to the unzipped folder. Or you can open the folder and launch command prompt on terminal from there by right clicking and selecting the option. Run the following command to install the required packages. Open the .and.dev file in the unzip folder and enter your Discord bot token and OpenAI key. Save file and rename it to .env. Run the following command from the root directory to start the ChatGPT Discord bot. If all goes well, you should see a status that says your Discord bot is running. And that's how we easily integrate ChatGPT with Discord and add it. You can now chat with ChatGPT from Discord and don't forget to start your prompt with /chat to summon ChatGPT Discord bot. As you can see, the Discord bot will respond in a few seconds with the answers. If you want to generate images with ChatGPT bot, use the /draw command before your prompt. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also, if you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description.